Hi, and welcome to Yoga with Tim. Welcome to this yin stretch routine. Let's begin on the back, connecting to the breath. So lie down onto your back, and with your eyes closed here, take a deep breath into your nose. And let it all the way out. Just let your body relax like a wet noodle. Let the shoulders relax, muscles in the face and neck. Now take your arms like cactus arms out to your side. And we're going to let the left hand fall down towards the right left hip as the right arm opens up. The legs swivel over to the right. Come back to center. Change sides. Let the legs swivel to the left as you look to your right. And just flowing here a few rounds. Good, then come back to center. Arms open up in cactus. Scoot your feet close together. Let your knees open up. And bring your knees together. Open up. And together. One more time, let the knees open. Good, then keep the knees in this open position. Slide your hands behind your head. As you inhale, let your lower back arch and tip your chin towards your chest. As you exhale, flatten through the lower back, stretch the chin away from the chest. Inhale, arch lower back position. Exhale into the flattened lower back position. One more time. Good, then come to neutral. Feel the elbows and the legs drop towards the ground. Take a deep breath in. And let it all the way out. Good. Now bring the knees together. Unhook the arms, come into cactus. Take the feet the width of the mat. Swivel your left knee in towards your right ankle and reach your left buttock out of your lower back. Keeping the neck passive, slide your left arm overhead. Come back to starting position. Swivel the right knee towards the left foot. Slide the right arm over. Back to center. Change sides. Back to center. Change sides. One more round. Flow with your breath, breathing in and out through the nose. Inhaling to reach. Exhaling to starting position. Good, nicely done. Now gently hug your right knee in towards your chest. As you hug your right knee in, start to slide your left leg out along the floor. We're going to make circles with the right foot, drawing with your right big toe. Change the direction of the circles. Change legs, hug the left knee in. Start to slide the right leg out and make circles with your left foot. Change the direction. Change legs, hug the right knee in. Now with your right knee hugged in, open your right arm out to the side. Bring your knee towards your left armpit and then back to center. Over to your left armpit. Back to center. And one more time over to the left. Pause for 3, 2, 1. Come back to center. Change legs. Hug left knee in. Open left arm out to the side. Bring the knee towards your armpit. And back. Towards the armpit. Exhaling. Inhale, come back. Exhale towards the armpit and hold for 3. Good job. Bring your knee back to center. Hug both knees in towards your armpits. Make little circles with the knees if it feels good to. Change direction. Set your feet down. With your eyes closed, let the palms turn up. Take a moment here to notice the feeling in your body. Perhaps the energy channels feel more open. It feels like the muscles can relax. Feel like energy moves with more freedom through the body. Thank you for joining me. Namaste.